Understanding fruit setting in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll explore the phrase, fruit setting. It's a term you might come across in various contexts, especially in gardening or agriculture. Let's dive into its meaning and usage to enhance your English vocabulary. Fruit setting refers to a crucial stage in the life cycle of plants. It's the process where flowers develop into fruits. This term is commonly used in horticulture and agriculture. Understanding this phrase helps in grasping the botanical growth process and its significance in plant development. Let's see how fruit setting is used in sentences. 1. The farmer was pleased with the effective fruit setting of his apple trees this season. 2. Proper pollination is essential for good fruit setting in many crops. These examples show the phrase in a practical context, highlighting its relevance in agriculture. While learning about fruit setting, it's good to know related terms. Pollination, the transfer of pollen to enable fertilization. Germination, the process where seeds sprout and grow. Harvesting, collecting ripe fruits from plants. Understanding these terms provides a broader perspective of the plant life cycle. I hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand the phrase, fruit setting, and its context in English. Remember, every new term enhances your language skills and broadens your understanding. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.